Hey, good morning, everyone. Michael Fanning. This is Warm Up 330. Let me ask you this. Have you ever asked yourself what kind of questions you ask yourself? You know that our brain is just a question answering machine. That's all it does. Most of the time, it's just answering questions. And most of the questions we ask it are non-conscious questions that we're not even aware of. And there's two types of questions we can ask ourselves. We can ask ourselves empowering questions, or we can ask ourselves disempowering questions. And many times we're not even aware of it. And here's the thing to remember. When it's going to solve a problem, when your brain's going to solve a problem, it's going to solve that which you believe. So disempowering questions are you believing something that's not what you're able to do. And so your brain says, well, let's show you all the evidence as to why that's true. Versus an empowering question is when you believe you can be better and your brain says, well, let's go seek out situations and resources that allow that to become true. But most of us aren't aware of the questions we ask ourselves. So for example, let's say that I'm doing a talk and let's say that I don't feel like I did very well. And so I ask myself, why do I always mess up that part of the question? Your brain says, well, you always mess it up, so let's always mess it up. Versus, what could I have done better? Or what are some ideas I could have done to make that a richer content, right? Simple little question to ask myself. So is it empowering or is it disempowering? How come I'm always sleepy in the mornings and I don't get up early? Disempowering question. What can I do to encourage myself to get up early every morning? Empowering question. Think about it. On the course of any day, when something happens to you, when you have a stimulus, you have this emotion and you have this reaction, your brain actually creates a question. Are the questions that you're allowing yourself to create, are they empowering you, right, to solve the problem, to become better, or are they disempowering you to fulfill that prophecy that you can't, right, that you're going to fail? Be aware of it. Think about it. Think about the next time you have a challenging situation. Listen closely to the question you just asked your brain, because it's very critical that you understand, is the question empowering you or disempowering you? Think about it and try it. I'll challenge you. Next time something is going not so right in your world, listen to the question you just asked yourself and see if it's going to help you or it's going to defeat you. Simple thing to think about, because this thing up here 24/7 is solving problems. What problems does it solve? The problems we give it. How do we give it problems? By asking it questions. Think about that. All right, everybody, make it a great day. Be awesome and help somebody. Talk to you later.